Fluffy rice can be served anytime with a single touch. Hygienic and convenient, especially for buffets. The color of the lamp indicates when the amount of rice is low. Fuwarica has the top market share for rice serving machines. Speedy, accurate, and delicious. The GST-RRA is the flagship model of the Fuwarica series. With a single touch, it can serve a measured portion of rice into a bowl. The fluffy texture can be achieved thanks to Fuwarica's technology. The secret lies in its unique loosening and heat-retaining function. With its airtight structure and full-surface heater, it maintains the quality of freshly cooked rice. Additionally, the corrugated inner lid returns steam to the rice and keeps it moist, gently loosening the rice and fluffing it with air. The touch panel is intuitive and easy to use, convenient for self-service, accurate weighing, and hygienic. Ideal for use at buffets. The notification lamp indicates the remaining amount of rice, and the LCD screen displays the exact amount of rice remaining and the elapsed time since the rice was put in. Auto serving mode for large orders. Assignment serving mode for peak times. 2 selectable serving modes improve operation. Cleaning after use is easy. Simply remove the parts that came in contact with rice and place them in the dishwasher. In addition, it supports 7 languages. Fuwarica provides a high-quality dining experience by serving delicious rice quickly and accurately. Let Fuwarica take care of serving the rice.